Clubhouse, how to use it for your network marketing business. Hey there and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth Sheridan. I help you ditch the grind and build an abundant income online. In today's training, we're going to be talking about Clubhouse, and I'm actually doing the training with my good friend Trisha Verzera, and we're going to give you all of the ins and outs of Clubhouse and how you can use it to build your network marketing business. Now, if you get value from this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified of all of my future trainings. See you on the presentation. How to use Clubhouse in your network marketing business. Hi there, my name is Ruth Sheridan, and I'm a top leader in my network marketing business.
And I'm Trisha Verzera. I'm also a top leader in my network marketing business. And Ruth and I actually help coach, teach, and train network marketers on how to use social media to build your businesses online.
So today we're going to be talking about a brand new social media platform called Clubhouse. And you may have heard of it, and you may be wondering what it is. So Clubhouse is a brand new social media platform. And I know you're thinking, come on, Ruth and Trish, I can't handle one more, but listen up because it can be really, really effective. So it's still in beta testing, meaning it's growing like wildfire, but you're going to need an invitation to join right now. Clubhouse doesn't want to overwhelm their platform, so they have a controlled launch. It has $1 billion valuation with only 2 million users. And if you think about it, Facebook has billions of users, so the time to get on Clubhouse is now. It's currently available only on iOS right now. I'm sure they're going to expand it to Android, but you're going to need an iOS platform to be able to use it. And like I said before, it's by invitation only, and we are going to be handing out an invitation at the end of this presentation, so make sure you stay till the end.
So a lot of questions that we get from people is it like Facebook or Instagram? And in most ways, no, it's not, right? Clubhouse is a live interactive podcast, basically. So there's no video, it's all audio. And there's also no written posts or pictures or anything like that. So, it is a little bit, you can use it to gain followers like you would Facebook and Instagram in that case. But what's really nice is you can make really targeted connections and start creating relationships in there. And then also link your Instagram to it so you can be getting your Clubhouse followers to follow you over on your other social media platforms.
So how does it work? Well, basically, Clubhouse is based on real live connections that are conducted in either clubs or rooms within clubs. And in order to set up your own club, you need a topic or a theme, and you have to apply to Clubhouse to get it approved. But you can set up a room without approval. Anyone can set up their own room and start conversations around things you're interested in, business topics. Maybe you're trying to talk about, benefits of your products. So it could be a topic around the benefits of your products, really anything you choose that you're passionate about.
I love that. And like Instagram and Facebook, you can follow people and they can follow you back, which is pretty cool. So you can also invite people into a room or a club that you have set up. And within those conversations within the rooms and clubs, basically they can be started on the fly or they can be pre-scheduled. But what's nice is they're a really great way to start gaining followers. And we're going to be going into that more in just a second.
Okay, so here's a little bit more about these rooms. Now, each room has 3 areas. It's got the stage, which is at the top of the screen, and on the stage is the speakers. And when you're entering the room and you're in the audience, you can actually raise your hand and be invited on stage to participate in the conversation or to ask some questions. The next area is the followers area. So those are the people who are followed by the speakers, right? So if you think about it, the speakers have the most authority or look like they have the most authority. The followers, the people who are followed by the speakers have the kind of second most authority because they must be important if the speakers are following them. And the third area is the audience. That's at the bottom of the screen. And those are people who have joined the room and are listening in on the conversation.
So also like Instagram or Facebook, Clubhouse has a bio section, right? Where you can tell a little bit about yourself and let people know who you are and what you do or what it is that you offer. And then you can also connect both your Instagram and your Twitter accounts so people can interact with you more closely as well. And I know since doing this, I have gained a ton of followers on my Instagram account. So really, really helpful.
So here's a strategy that we've been using and we teach other network marketers to use to grow their Clubhouse following and grow their businesses. So Clubhouse is a great place to learn about the latest network marketing strategies, mindset, motivation. You can literally pop onto Clubhouse and spend maybe 15 minutes and do your personal development right there. So it's like a live interactive podcast where you can actually learn really cool things from really great people. I mean, Elon Musk was on Clubhouse last week, like craziness. So you actually get to spend time with people who have expertise and a lot of authority. Secondly, you can network. So Clubhouse is a great way to meet your ideal business prospect or your avatar. It's a place where you can meet like-minded people. It's also a great way, as Trish mentioned, to grow your social media following over on Instagram and Twitter. So as you're connecting with people on Clubhouse and following them, they're following you, they're checking out your bio, and right in your bio is a link to Instagram and Clubhouse so you can continue the conversation over there.
Love that. So the other thing that's really cool is you can maximize Clubhouse to find where your perfect avatar hangs out, right? That perfect prospect in your business. Because when you first log in, it's going to ask you for different interests, but you can go out searching for different things and it's automatically going to put some things in your news feed based on the interest that you have put into Clubhouse. So the other thing is you are able to interact. You're able to raise your hand. And by getting on stage with people listening to follow you, they're going to be following you back, right? So you actually can be interacting with some of these. You can ask questions. You could, add more information to what it is that the speaker's talking about. So it's really cool because you're having real conversations and making it happen. And when you do that and you've got something valuable to offer, these people are going to want to follow you on Instagram or also, on Clubhouse. The other thing is that when you follow the speakers and they follow you back, it's going to give you a little more value. It's going to give you a little more authority when you show up because you're going to show up in the second most seen place in the room, right? Other than the stage. And so people are definitely going to check you out and follow you when you do that. And also you want to be going out and following other people who are your avatar. And then they will take notice and follow you back as well. So it's a really great way to really niche down on that avatar and get a little more specific than you're able to do on some of the other platforms.
So you may be asking yourself, is Clubhouse worth my time? With all of the social media platforms out there, it can become overwhelming. And we certainly don't want to spend all of our time on social media because we've got to be building our businesses as well, right? So this is our best advice. Number one, if you haven't mastered Instagram or Facebook yet, then don't get distracted by Clubhouse, okay? Our biggest advice is to set a time limit. So set half an hour a day to spend on Clubhouse, and maybe 15 minutes you're doing personal development, and the other 15 minutes you're getting on stage, you're asking questions, you're making connections, okay? Some rooms, this is crazy, some rooms go for 24 hours. So you do not want to be sucked into the Clubhouse vortex where time can literally slip by. And before you know it, you've taken all of your income producing time and you've spent it listening on Clubhouse. So set a timer. Number two, if you're comfortable with your strategies on Facebook and Instagram and they're working for you and you're looking for a way to expand your audience, connect with more people, have more conversations, then go for it. Because Clubhouse is amazing for real conversations and real connections, especially because right now it's still small. So you can make real live connections with people and have conversations.
I love it. So guys, what we want to do today is we each want to offer you an invite, right? So what we want you to do is down in the comment section, if you would like an invite to Clubhouse. Now, again, remember you have to have an iPhone or an iPad, right? You can't have an Android. But if you have an iPhone or an iPad, then drop an invite and we will go ahead and send you an invite. Now, we're going to have to message you because we do need to have your phone number as well. And obviously, we don't want you posting that in the comments. So we will leave you a message, but you can go over and direct message us on Instagram as well, because our link will be down there. And we will go ahead and send you that invite. And then all we ask is for other people who comment invite for you to find a way to reach out to them so that we can kind of pass this along and really kind of pay it forward.
Absolutely. So if you got some value from this video today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of our future trainings.
Thanks so much, and bye for now.